you just feel to be?
Great, super, and I'm really glad that another brand is coming to the Indian market. It's never enough to have enough brands, so it's great to have one more.
Okay, when it comes to fashion and styling, what's your personal fashion funda for fashion and styling?
I think just wearing your confidence is my funda, and style is one thing that can't be bought, as everyone says. I totally agree with that. And yeah, just wear your attitude right and feel comfortable in whatever you wear.
क्या जैसे हम देख रहे हैं कि हर लड़की की पहचान होती है उसके कपड़ों से लेकर या उस पर लाइमलाइट अगर कोई डाले तो कपड़े हैं तो लाइक आप कैसे ऐसा कौन सा अटायर है व्हेन यू फील कंफर्टेबल ऑन वेयरिंग दोस अटायर्स
Firstly, I don't agree with you. Yeah, I don't think that your pehchan should be with your clothes. I think it should be with your personality. And for me, fashion completely depends on my mood. So I pretty much wear my personality whenever I walk out. So I'm as comfortable in a pair of jeans as I am in a cocktail dress.
So well, we can just see that you're looking absolutely great.
Yeah.
So can we just get to know
what I'm wearing tonight? So I've actually gone. I'm endorsing a very high street look tonight. I'm wearing a frou-frou sort of skirt with a crop top, and everything on that I'm wearing is high street. It's just my shoes that are slightly high end because I love shoes, and a girl can never have enough shoes.
Okay, Kiara, when it comes to fashion and styling, do you think the brands are really necessary to look fashionable?
Not necessarily. As I said, I'm not giving off any labels tonight because I'm not wearing any particular known label. So not necessarily, but I think brands are known for their quality. So definitely when I want to indulge in that, it's because of the quality that it's offering.
Yeah, what are your upcoming projects like?
Right now I'm a bit tight-lipped on it, but very soon I think y'all will anyway be the first people to know. So let's just wait for an official announcement. Thank you.
नहीं, जो प्रोडक्ट्स हम लोग ने लाए हैं वो स्टाइलिंग हम लोग चेंज बिल्कुल नहीं करने वाले, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट ब्रिंगिंग सम व्हाट इज़ ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल इन इंडियन मार्केट. वी आर एक्चुअली एंटरिंग विद अ न्यू फैशन सेगमेंट इन द इंडियन मार्केट. बेसिकली इनका मेन जो है टाइट्स इंडियन कंसेप्ट में अभी भी उतना प्रोमिनेंट नहीं है. वी आर नॉट ओनली प्रोवाइडिंग यू वन टाइप ऑफ टाइट्स, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग यू ऑप्शंस इन कलर्स, ऑप्शंस इन डिज़ाइन. सेम थिंग गोज़ फॉर stockings, same thing goes for leggings, and same thing goes for shapewears. In India, we just have one color of a particular thing. Over right now, what we are bringing from Italy is color option as well as design option, and since it's made in Italy, it has the highest quality available, which no other brand in India is currently providing to you.
How you got to decide to tie up with this company, the biggest company from the last 1969 year in market?
Through a company, Ramak, we both got in touch. They sent me their company profiles, and I went through their profiles, I went through their company history, and I went through their products. I ordered their samples, analyzed those samples, made a market survey for more than 2 months. After 2 months, I came to a conclusion that these products will have a great impact in the Indian market, not in terms of sale, but in terms of introducing a new fashion segment. As I said previously, we are not providing you what is available, we are providing you something new, a new fashion line, a new fashion segment. Like people say, I'm wearing an Armani, I'm wearing a Gucci. Tomorrow women's will start saying, I'm wearing a Belafonte. That's the main target of Belafonte. not sales, but to change the fashion idea or the fashion mentology of the Indian women's.
So who's gonna be your targeted audience, like as a
The
kid?
targeted audience would be from the age of 16 till the age of 50.
Okay.
Or anyone who is interested in wearing Indo-Western as well as Western style, because this product are not limited to Western. As a mind concept, everyone thinks that Italians will be only for Western wears. This is not true. Their products can be used in the Indian wears also or Indo-Western wears. And
How affordable is for the Indian?
it's I won't say it's the price tag. I won't say it's cheap, but a made in Italy product and at that high quality, other brands are not providing you, and we will be pricing it at the mid segment. We are not targeting the exclusive segment, nor we are targeting the cheap segment. We are targeting the mid segment, so it will be available for middle class, upper middle class, as well as high end society peoples.
Thank you.
How are you feeling the first time you're announcing in India, Belafonte? So what you are looking to the Indian market?
Okay, I think that India is a great country and have many common factor with Italy, because in these days that I've arrived here in Mumbai, we saw a city full of colors and a city full of scent, and we also appreciate this kind of city and this kind of country. And we know that Indian customers really know which is beautiful, and we think that they will really appreciate our products at all.
I want to know what you.
No.
Spanish.
Spanish only.
Can you say I wish all the best to the Indian launch in Spanish also?
Tutti i migliori auguri per il marchio in spagnolo.
In spagnolo, ok. The best, not the best.
Dillo in italiano.
In italiano. I migliori auguri, spero che con questo evento il brand Belafonte abbia sicuramente un buon successo con la nostra partnership qua con Akshay. Ok, thank you. Grazie.
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन, इंडियन मार्केट के लिए कुछ डिजाइन में फर्क होगा या फिर सेम?
नहीं, डिज़ाइन के लिए फ़र्क नहीं होगा, और ये प्रोडक्ट्स हम लोग ऑफिशियली 20th of April ऑनलाइन मार्केट्स अवेलेबल करेंगे थ्रू फ्लिपकार्ट, स्नैपडील और जिमावे। तो आपको प्रोडक्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। फ़िलहाल इसका इंडियन वेबसाइट है www.belafonte.co.in। आप उस वेबसाइट पे जाके उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन आपको सब मिल जाएंगी। प्लस इसका फेसबुक पेज भी है और इसका ओरिजिनल वेबसाइट भी है इटली का। आपको ईच एंड एवरी इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दी प्रोडक्ट्स सब डिटेल में मिल जाएगी रिगार्डिंग इट्स क्वालिटी, इट्स ड्यूरेबिलिटी एंड इट्स यूज़।
Thank you.